Good morning, children. How are you? Today, we are going to learn about teeth. So, our lesson is all about teeth. So, first of all, we do one activity. Take a piece of apple or a biscuit and put it in your mouth. Be alert and note whether these things happen. Put a tick if they do. Yes, ma'am. Take a piece of apple or biscuit or chocolate or any eatable thing. Put it in your mouth. Then what will happen? Observe things. So here we have some list. If they have done, put a tick mark. Understand, children? Yes. Let us see. Your mouth begins to water. Yes, ma'am. When we put something into our mouth, some water will come. Some water will come mix with the food. Understand, children? So this water we call saliva. What is this? Saliva we call. Water comes from our cheeks inside. Understand, children? Next, the food begins to get wet with the juice released in your mouth. Yes. Yeah. These water mix with the food. Then automatically food become wet. Understand, children? Yes. Next, you start chewing on the food unknowingly. Yes, everybody. When we put something in our mouth, unknowingly we can chew. We start chewing that food. Unknowingly it will happen. Next, you swallow the food only once it has been chewed. Yeah. We don't swallow directly. Before swallowing, we chew the food. Understand, children? Without chewing, we don't swallow. Yes, ma'am. So, chewing well, then only you can swallow. Yes, ma'am. If these things happen means put a tick mark. Next thing, primary milk teeth. Babies are born without teeth. Teeth become visible only when babies are about 6 to 12 months old. Yes, ma'am. Have you seen babies, small babies? Yeah, they don't have any teeth in their mouth. They born without teeth. They born without teeth. But later, teeth will come when about 6 to 12 months old. Understand, children? So, teeth become visible when babies are about 6 to 12 months old. So 6 to 12 months onwards, teeth will come. Teeth will appear. Understand, children? Next, most kids have their first set of teeth by the time they are 3 years old. These are called the primary milk teeth and they are 20 in number. See. So, teeth starts from 6 to 12 months old. Later, they will come. Total set, we can see when the kid is about 3 years old. So they have first set when about 3 years old. So these first set of teeth we call primary milk teeth, and these are 20 in number. How many are there? So 20 primary milk teeth. Understand, children? So we can see total these 20 milk teeth when about 3 years old. Okay, ma'am. Next, permanent teeth. When a child gets to age 5 or 6, milk teeth start falling out one by one. See, yeah, okay. Milk teeth came. Later, 5 or 6 years onwards, these milk teeth start falling one by one. Understand, children? They are not permanent. At the age of 5 or 6, these milk teeth start falling. Next, as a child grows, new teeth start appearing in place of fallen milk teeth. Yes. So, after falling these milk teeth, again one teeth replace this place of fallen milk teeth. Understand, children? Next, by about age 12 or 13, most kids have lost all of their baby teeth and have a full set of permanent teeth. Yes, see. So, milk teeth falling out one by one. By the age of 12 or 13, they lost all the the milk teeth. Understand, children? So after that, they get a complete permanent set. So this set of teeth we call permanent teeth. Understand, children? So these permanent teeth replace milk teeth. Understand, children? But now there are 32 teeth in a permanent set. In milk teeth, how many teeth are there? 20 in number. But here, permanent teeth, 32 in number. Understand, children? So there are 32 teeth in a permanent set. Once these permanent set of teeth falling out or gone by any accident or anything, they won't come again. Understand, children? So be very careful. Milk teeth falling out one by one. Okay, children. So permanent teeth replace these milk teeth. But if permanent teeth will gone means again they will not come. Understand? So be very careful. Okay, children. Yes. So remaining tomorrow we will continue. Understand, children? Okay. Thank you.